5 ways to manage diabetes at home. If you've been diagnosed with diabetes, you know how important it is to keep your blood sugar levels under control. Your doctor will usually prescribe medication and healthy eating and physical activity habits to help keep your levels in check. But there are still some things you can do on your own to make that happen. These 5 ways to manage diabetes at home will help you navigate the ups and downs of your condition so you can continue to enjoy a long, healthy life. 1. Keep a close eye on your blood sugar levels. Keeping a close eye on your blood sugar levels is important for managing diabetes. You should test your blood sugar levels before and after meals, as well as 2 hours after you last ate. Write down the date and time of each test, the amount of carbohydrates in grams consumed, and the level of your blood sugar. This will help you see what foods are affecting your blood sugar levels. 2. Eat a healthy diet. A healthy diet can help you manage and control your blood sugar levels. This is important because high blood sugar, or hyperglycemia, is the main cause of diabetes-related health problems. Eating a healthy diet also helps you maintain a healthy weight and reduces your risk for heart disease and other illnesses. Number 1. Eat lots of vegetables, 8 servings per day. Number 2. Add fiber to your meals, 25 grams per day. Number 3. Cut down on added sugars, less than 100 calories per day. Number 4. Stick with lower fat protein sources that are higher in quality protein, 3 servings per day. Number 5. Drink water throughout the day. 3. Get regular exercise. Exercise is one of the best ways for people with diabetes to manage their condition. Exercise can reduce blood sugar levels and make it easier for those who take insulin injections to reach a normal blood sugar level. It also helps combat obesity and high cholesterol, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. If you find that you have trouble sticking with exercise routines, try these 5 tips. 1. Start small. Don't try anything too intense or time-consuming right off the bat. Start with something like walking. 2. Find an exercise buddy. Having someone else there can help keep you motivated and on track when you're feeling unmotivated or lazy. 4. Take your medication as prescribed. Medication is a key part of any diabetes treatment plan. Follow your doctor's instructions for how much medication you should take and when. If you find that your blood sugar levels are too high or too low, talk with your doctor about adjustments to your dosage schedule. You can also use a home blood glucose monitor to test your blood sugar levels before and after meals and throughout the day. This will help you determine if you need an adjustment in the amount of insulin you are taking or in the time between doses. 5. Monitor your feet. If you have diabetes, it is important to check your feet daily. This can help prevent infections that may cause ulcers or amputations. These infections are very dangerous, and if left untreated could lead to death. Be sure to wash your feet and dry them thoroughly after each shower. If you notice any redness, cuts, or sores on the skin of your feet, be sure to contact a doctor as soon as possible. These symptoms may indicate an infection that needs treatment. So, these are the 5 ways to properly manage and treat diabetes at home. And that's it for today. If you got value in his video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.